My name is Yara Paoli and I'm the founder and inventor of GrowthOS. You become experimental in the approach to any growth-related problem. Thinking about the users in a funnel that moves from acquisition to activation to retention to revenue and referrals, to make your growth strategy sustainable and easier to optimize.
This workshop was very valuable to me. It was quite constructive. In daily life at the office, you can get very lost in daily activities, so it's nice to get your head above the water and have a larger look at strategic ways of creating growth.
I learned a lot of different things at the workshop today. It was interesting to hear more about some specific targets that we could implement and some specific tips, and also kind of to get a recap of aspects and things that I've heard and read about before, but in a more formalized and structured manner.
I think one of the most valuable things for me were the tools that we were given that we can use actively daily at the office to sort of test changes that we can do to increase conversion and change sales.
I want to do more experiments and also get more conscious about what we actually are experimenting on and our hypothesis. I think it was very interesting to hear more about kind of how structured we should be with the experiments and how often kind of the biggest companies do experiments.
I definitely think our company will be better after this workshop.